Good morning. This is my topic 3 interactive voice response recording for my assignment contemporary challenges. Interactive voice response, in short IVR, is a technology that allows a computer to interact with humans through the use of voice and DTMF tones input via keyboards. In telecommunications, IVR allows customers to interact with the company's host system via telephone keypad or by speech recognition, after which they can service their own inquiries by following the IVR dialogues. IVR systems can respond with pre-recorded or dynamically generated audio to further direct users on how to proceed. IVR applications can be used to control almost any function where the interface can be broken down into a series of simple interactions. IVR systems deployed in the network are sized to handle large call volumes. It is common in industries that have recently entered the telecommunications industry to refer to an automated attendant as an IVR. The terms, however, are distinct and mean different things to traditional communications professionals, whereas emerging technology and VoIP professionals often use the term IVR as a catch-all to signify any kind of telephony menu. Even a basic automated attendant, the term voice response unit, in short VRU, is sometimes used as well. Looking at the history, research in speech technology predated the advent of digital computers. It began with a speech synthesis project at Bell Labs in 1936 that resulted in a device called the Voder, which was demonstrated at the 1939 World's Fair. A link between speech and mathematics resulted in a breakthrough in the early 1970s. Leonard E. Baum and Lloyd R. Welch invented an approach to a recognition based on a statistical concept called the hidden Markov model. In 1961, Bell System developed a new tone dialing methodology. Bell unveiled the first telephone that could dial area codes using DTMF technology at the Seattle World Fair in 1962. DTMF telephones enabled the use of in-band signaling. They transmit audible tones in the same 300 MHz to 3.4 kHz range occupied by the human voice, and thus the blueprint for IVR was born. Some typical uses of IVR would be: IVR systems are typically intended to service high call volumes, reduce costs, and improve the customer experience. Examples of typical IVR applications are telephone banking, televoting, and credit card services. Companies also use IVR services to extend their business hours to 24/7 operations. The use of IVR and voice automation allows callers' queries to be resolved without the need for queuing and incurring the cost of a live agent. If callers do not find the information they need or require further assistance, their calls are often transferred to an agent. This makes for a more efficient system in which agents have more time to deal with complex interactions. The agents do not deal with basic inquiries that require yes or no response, obtaining customer details. Some voice-activated dialing. Voice-activated dialing IVR systems are used to automate routine inquiries to switchboards or PBX, that is called Private Automatic Banking Exchange. Operators are used in many hospitals and large businesses to reduce the caller waiting time. An additional function in the ability to allow external callers to page staff and transfer the inbound call to the page person. And that concludes this topic for the IVR.